Good morning, students. Next, we can start the next portion, that is circle or pie chart. Circle graph or pie chart. That means if you are representing some data inside a circle, that is called pie chart. Okay, so how can we represent this data? That I will explain in this exercise. Basically, what is this? This is pie chart or circle graph. We are representing the given data in the manner of a circle. We can call it as pie chart. Okay, so we can divide the numbers or percentage, given percentage accordingly in this circle. So let us start exercise 5.2. So I am drawing the figure here. I will explain the answer. Okay, so a survey was made to find type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. So this is the survey which is showing something related to music. Okay, and number of pupils also. So from this pie chart, answer the following. We have to find out the answer by using this pie chart. Okay. So first question: if 20 people were liked classical music, so total how many percentage like classical music? That is 10 percentage. In question first part, if 20 people like classical music, so 20 is number of people likes number of pupils like classical, correct? What is the question? How many young people were survey? So if this is 20 numbers, we have to calculate the total number of people were surveyed. Okay, so this is 20 number. What is this? This is 10 percentage of total number, correct? Because classical is denotes it as totally, out of totally 10 percentage is classical. So that 10 percentage is 20. So we have to find out the total. That means 100 percentage. Then only we will get the total number of pupils. So we can find like this. Therefore, total number of pupil is equal to 20 is 10 percentage. Then we have to find out 100 percentage. How can we find out the 100 percentage? 20 into 100 means 100 percentage divided by 20 is 10 percentage. So 20 is the number of people into 100 is the total percentage we have to calculate, divided by 10 is the 10 percentage of 20. 10 percentage is 20. So 20 into total 100 divided by 10 we have to calculate. 0 and 0 we can cancel. 20 into 10 we will get 200 people. You can cross check your answer. Now you got total number of people is equal to 200. You should check what is the 10 percentage of 200. If you are checking 10 percentage of 200, you will get is equal to 20. That is here 10 percentage of this. How can we calculate 10 percentage of 200? 200 into 10 by 100. 200 total number of people into 10 percentage. So 10 percentage we can written it as 10 divided by 100. Divide by, if we are doing 10 percentage divide by 100, then we can remove this percentage. Okay, so instead of 10 percentage I written it as 10 divided by 100. So this is the 10 percentage of 200. Cancelling these two, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Now we got this is 10 percentage of 200 is equal to 20. So first answer, this is the first answer. Total number of people is equal to this 20 into 100 divided by 10. Okay, second part. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Easily we can identify which is the highest one. This one is the longest one, correct? 40 percentage. This is only 20, this is 10, this is 30. So totally 40 percentage is the highest one. So which type of music is liked by maximum number of people? This one. What is that? Light music. Total 40 percentage. So second answer, light music. Okay, we can write here 40 percentage. Third question. If a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, so total number of CDs is producing total number. What is that? 1000. So it has to produce 1000 CDs. Total number is equal to 1000. how many of each type would they make? So we have to find out how many semi-classical cassettes making classical one, folk and light music. So you have to find out. Semi-classical means 20% of the total number, correct? So we can find out. First I am going to calculate classical music. What is classical music? That is 10%. So number of cassettes produced for classical. How can we calculate for classical? What is the percentage? 10% of total number. Total number is 1000. This is the method. Okay. So 10%, I told you, if you want to remove this percentage, you have to done 10 divided by 100. Now this percentage remove. 10 divided by 100. Of means into 1000. So this 2 cancelling, 10 into 10 you will get 100. So 100 number of cassettes produced for what is that? Classical music. Next is 20%. What is that? Semi-classical. So this is number of cassettes produced for semi-classical. How can we calculate? 20% of 1000. So 20% we can write 20 divided by 100 into 1000. So we can cancel here 200. After that 20 into 10 you will get 200 cassette produced for what? This semi-classical, because this is 20%. Next is 30%. What is that? Total number of cassette produced for what? Folk. 30% total, correct? So 30% of 1000. Total number always same, only 1000. That is why we are calculating 10%, 20%, 30% and 40% of 1000. Okay. So 30% of 1000, 30 divided by 100 into 1000. Cancelling these 2 0, 3, 30 into 10 we will get 300. Next is total number of cassettes produced for light music. What is the percentage here? 40. So total number of this one produced for light music. What is the percentage? 40%. 40% of total number always in 1000. So 40% means 40 divided by 100 into 1000. So cancelling these two 0, 0. 40 into 10, 400. So this is the separated numbers. First one 10% is 100, next 200, 30% is 300, 40% is 400. After calculating this, if you are calculating the total sum of these numbers, 100 plus 200 plus 300 plus 400, you should get answer is equal to total number 1000. Okay, if you are getting the answer is equal to 1000, that means your calculation is correct. Otherwise your calculation is wrong. Okay, clear?